If you're hosting something online, training, workshop, meeting, networking, doesn't matter what it is, it's a brilliant idea to let people know before you take a picture for three very good reasons. The first one, the majority of us do this in order to post it on social media. So we're doing it for our marketing, aren't we? The last thing you need in your marketing is bored faces, people yawning, people eating. The second reason, this is about them. Business is all about building relationships. And one of the biggest challenges to a relationship, to building a relationship, would be for you to publish a picture of them not looking at their best. Give them the chance to get ready before you take a picture. The third, this is to do with ethics. When we were doing things face to face, we needed a written disclaimer before we published a picture in our marketing of somebody else. In fact, in some countries, it's actually illegal to use people's pictures without their written consent. So it's ethical to let people know, to give them the choice about whether they want to be in your picture or not. Give them the choice. The majority of people will say yes. Some will actually say yes, even though ordinarily they prefer not to. Just because you've asked, they'll say yes. But other people prefer not to be in pictures at all. Give them the choice. Let them feel relaxed in your company. Build that relationship. That's it for today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.